Yep.
Nice. Do you have your phone? Could you let me in? I mean, I can walk around. It's fine.
I do. I do.
Thank you. Have a good lunch.
Thanks, see ya. That's pretty. 70 degrees, 43% humidity. Oh, grass clippings! Grass clippings! Grass clippings are the devil. I've never had any trouble with grass clippings, but people say it's dangerous. It's like skiing, super slick. I mean, I'm assuming if you've got time to slow down and avoid it, it's not that big of a deal, but... Somebody needs to wash their motorcycle real bad. I was gonna look. So they make these little things. I don't know where you'd put them though. That hit the ground instead of your pedal, and then they spark. Wouldn't that be cool? I think that'd be cool. Turn around every now and then again. Let's see, do I get gas now? I should be able to get on the way home, right? Do you think this guy is wearing the vest just because he's walking? Or is he going to a job that he will use the vest? Okay, we have a motorcycle. I don't know what it is. Is it a Harley? I don't know. It's got saddlebags, dual exhaust, has the mirrors under the handlebars. Oh, I'm stealing Mark's spot. Yes. It's my neighbor. Whoa, where did all these rocks come from? That's not good.
Can you go to color red, orange, out of blue?
I'm gonna put this in the car. Why would I wear it? It's heavy. And I have a car. Hostas. 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 The humidity is only like 27%. Absolutely amazing. Okay, 28%. 79 degrees. Doesn't feel like it. It feels like it's 50. I love it. That is my family in front of me. And it is time to get some gasoline. Sup, bro? Okay, that might win in a race. What do we have behind us here? Can you see it? Can you see it clearly? I can't really tell. Not that I would know anyways, but... Okay. There's a rock there, bro. Oh yeah, he gonna hit that. He gonna hit that. Let's just watch this from another angle. Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. So that's what's happening right there. This parking lot is built to not allow that. There's multiple reasons why getting gas in a motorcycle is better than a car. Number 1, doesn't take as long. Number 2, you don't have to get out of your car. Number 3, it costs less. Oh! You run red light. Most Corvette owners are old guys. Yep! That's Iowa for you. And they won't usually race. They just like go really slow and they turn really slow into parking lots. Okay.
Whoa, Dad, nice sick black license plate.